Hello JUKI lovers, we are so happy to have you join us on this project. Today we will be designing on a t-shirt and sweatshirt using the RICOH Ri 100. Let's get started. To begin designing, let's open the RICOH design software. The software has 3 design modes. For this project, we will use the Advanced Designer, which allows us to use a combination of illustrations, text, and more. So now let's select our settings. Since we will be printing on a t-shirt today, let's select t-shirt for garment type. I will be printing on a toddler shirt size 3T. Select your garment thickness. This toddler shirt is normal in thickness, so I will select that. The RICOH has 2 tray sizes, A4 and A5. I have an A4 size, so I will select that option. For orientation, there are 2 options, portrait and landscape. Let's select portrait. Click OK to confirm. With the RICOH design software, there are many ways to design. Today we will upload our own design and embellish with built-in illustrations. So I have a pre-made graphic that I want to import. So let's go to use your own file on the left-hand column and click import image. There are 3 ways to import an image file. This graphic is saved on my computer, so I will select the first option. Click on select image. Select your graphic and click open. Click OK, and I think this image is perfect in size to print. You can always resize to your liking. Next, let's add embellishments. I think this blue circle matches, so let's add it in. It's a little big, so let's resize. Perfect! Let's go back to illustrations and add a few more. Okay, I think that looks good. The next step is to get the shirt ready for printing. A neat trick is to fold the t-shirt or any other garment and running your fingers through the fold to make a mark. After, we are going to align that center fold mark to the vertical line on the tray. This will ensure our design is printed on the center. When we load a garment on the tray, you want to load with the top part like handles or collar toward the R near the clasp if it's a portrait print, or the R towards the right side if it's a landscape print. Now that our garment is set up on the tray, it's time to press. First, preheat the RH 100. It will beep when it's preheated and ready to load. Load your tray clasp facing towards you. Move the lever to the left side to begin pressing. It takes 30 seconds to press. It's done pressing. Let's remove the tray. Now we're ready to print. Let's insert the tray in the RI 100. Go back to the RICOH design software and press print. Select the RICOH printer and select the quality of your print. We selected fine to prioritize the quality of the print. Click print. Once the design has been successfully transmitted, the start button on the RI 100 will blink. Press start. Once it's done printing, the last step is to seal. Load the tray to the RH 100. Select the appropriate temperature and time. Move the lever to the right to begin sealing. Now, let's remove the tray from the RH 100 and remove the garment from the tray. And we're done. We hope you enjoyed making this project along with us. Let's move on to the next project. Our next project is going to be printing and designing on a large sweatshirt. We will follow the same steps as we did for the toddler t-shirt. Please follow along as we demonstrate these steps. The RICOH Ri 100 offers high-quality prints perfect for t-shirts and sweatshirts. These garments can be sold at conventions and farmers markets with your own design or on demand. You can also make custom shirts for family vacations, weddings, birthdays, and other special events. And if you want to learn more about the RICOH Ri 100, head over to jukiquilting.com/direct-to-garment printing.